Today on Mom to Mom, we're making a fun St. Patrick's Day treat. In my family, we love to celebrate the holidays with certain kind of treats. Themed treats, as you will. And this rainbow in a cup is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. You're gonna need some Skittles, and yes, I sorted through all of them, and apparently Skittles thinks that we don't like the green ones that much because they didn't give us that much in the bag, but that's okay. Then you're gonna need some mini marshmallows and some Rolos. Now we can assemble this fun rainbow in a cup. So first you wanna take your mini marshmallows and put them in the cup first. Then you're kinda gonna build the rainbow from there. So you wanna go with red, then you're going to do your orange, then you're gonna do your yellow, then you're gonna do your green, then purple. Now you can stick the Rolos on top. Once your cup is assembled, you can put it in the clear bag, put your bow around it, and you've got a fun treat your kids are gonna love, or you can give it to your neighbors or just any friends and they'll love it as well. If you have any great ideas, we'd love to hear about it and share it on our next Mom to Mom.